Today, we're talking about total mosquito control around your home because it's that time of year where the mosquitoes come out, it gets nasty, it gets hot, there's wet areas around your property, and the mosquitoes can take over and absolutely ruin your day. So without further ado, let's get into the video and I'm going to show you exactly how to reduce the mosquito population on your property using 3 specific products and give you some advice on how to make sure your property is protected during the worst of mosquito season. Let's get into it. What's going on, everybody? Eric here, and welcome back to the Average Homeowners YouTube channel. Like I said, today we're digging into how to get rid of mosquitoes and protect your property using 3 specific products. As always, these products will be linked in the description below, so you can check them out. If you're going to use them, I hope you grab them through those links. It helps the channel grow, and while you're down there, once you finish the video, if you found any value, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. So, let's talk about what we're going to use. The first thing we're going to do is eliminate all standing water on the property. You need to get rid of water in bird baths, standing water anywhere in your yard. Make sure pots aren't holding water, buckets aren't holding water. Those are breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Now, there may be some places that inevitably you can't get rid of standing water. So the first product we're going to talk about is mosquito dunks. These little guys will absolutely reduce the mosquito breeding population inside of areas that hold water no matter what you do. Now, this could be things like roadside culverts, fountains, small ponds, as long as they don't have goldfish in them. You don't want to use this, anything that wildlife's going to be in or anything like that. It's not overly toxic and it's safe for rain barrels, but you don't want it in anything that you're going to, drink from or kids are playing in or anything like that. They're technically non-toxic, but you just want to be safe. So let's go talk about where you would use these on my property and show you exactly how they work. Okay, so for my situation, we've got these culverts that go under the driveways. These culverts are set a little bit lower than the normal bar ditch, and so they tend to hold water all the time, on top of having snakes and frogs and things like that in there. So we're gonna check that really quick, make sure there's no snakes in there. That's the perfect place to use mosquito dunks. We're just gonna toss one in each end of the culvert, and then we're gonna go to the next step in our total mosquito control process, because these are gonna take care of that breeding ground. All we're gonna do is pop this open, grab one of these dunks, toss it all the way in, no critters in there. Grab another one, toss it right here. And so with those in there, that's gonna reduce the mosquito breeding population inside of that culvert, and we're good to go. Let's get back to the shop and talk about solution number 2. Okay, so total mosquito control step number 2 is a Spartan mosquito tube. Now, these get a lot of love and a lot of hate on the internet. They get a lot of love and hate on this channel. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna link to the video I did on all the information you need to know about the new Spartan Mosquito Pro Tech. If you have questions or if you want more information because you've seen the haters, go ahead and watch that video. It will give you the full rundown on the new Spartan mosquito tubes. But for total solution number 2, let me show you how this works. All you're gonna do, pop the top. It's got an opening in there, and we're gonna fill that with warm water. Now, it just so happens I've got these bottles of Ozarka that were sitting in my truck, and so I don't need to go get warm water from the house. These are warm and probably have BPAs in them anyway, so I'm not gonna drink them because they got hot. And we're gonna fill that up to the fill line on the back. We're gonna replace the cap that came on it. We're gonna shake it up, and then we're gonna go place this on the fence line. Now, it can take 4 of these around an acre. That's what's recommended. I've already put 2 out in the back. I'm gonna put this one out now. We'll take a look at that, and then we'll get to control step number 3. Oh, but before you do that, you gotta take the white cap off, put the black cap on, the perforated cap that allows the mosquitoes to get in there and eat on that boric acid. Put the fence clamp on there. You can hang it on a fence, a tree, a clothesline, anything you want, really. And let's go put it out. So literally all you're gonna do is unhook one side of the fence clasp. I'm hanging it on a fence. You can hang it in a tree, clothesline, like I said, anywhere you want. Put it around the fence, clip it back in, and let it hang there. They say you should replace it every 30 days. I replace mine every 3 to 6 months, depending on how the mosquito population is doing around the house. Obviously I think they wanna sell more product. I think they last a little bit longer than that, but that's just my theory and that's my review. That's what I've seen in person. Step number 3, and what I think might be one of the most important steps in the total mosquito control process, is using a mosquito control or insect control insecticide around your home. Now, this is bifenthrin. I use this all around the entire perimeter of my home, on my flower beds, tree beds, on my flat work around the pool. I spray it absolutely everywhere. It controls 99 different insects, including mosquitoes, some ants, all the little critters that get around the house. That product will control everything. I even mix it in with my fertilizer when I spray liquid fertilizer on the yard throughout the spring and fall. That said, during the summer, I go to any areas that tend to hold a little more water in the backyard, and it gets sprayed with bifenthrin and allowed to dry. This will absolutely help you control mosquitoes around your home. I mean, this product can even be used inside. Bifenthrin is used for literally everything. So let me grab some footage of me spraying bifenthrin, but literally all you do is mix this up in a backpack sprayer, pump it up, or put your battery in, click go, and spray it on all the exposed foundation areas, flower beds, and everything around your home. So that, y'all, is a total mosquito control regimen that's going to allow you to enjoy your property, your yard, let the kids play, let the dogs run, let you enjoy barbecuing and cooking on that back patio, or sitting on the front porch watching the sun go down. Whatever you choose to do, if you follow those 3 steps, it's going to reduce your mosquito population drastically. And like I said, get rid of standing water. Check for water holding in tires. Potted plants is a big one. Any areas that hold moisture become breeding grounds for mosquitoes. But I hope that helps you, and I look forward to hearing your results in the comments below. As always, if you found this video useful, throw me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you want to know more about Spartan mosquito tubes, check out this video right here. This is where I go fully in depth on all the changes, the lawsuits, everything that's happened that got us to the current product. But I do swear by these 3 steps, and that is step number 2. So with that, check that video out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.